Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to RoboThoughts Zero to Hero series C++ coding in Arduino Mega. We are on lesson number 15 and I am going to show you do while loop. In the last two videos I showed you what is a for loop and a different kind of loops, right? And a while loop. Now you will see what is a do while loop. It's a different kind of loop altogether, right? So the do while loop works in the same way as the while loop which you saw in the previous lesson, alright? Except that it always runs once even if the test expression evaluates to false, okay? The do while loop consists of two different keywords. Remember this, two different keywords in C. That is do and while. Do and while. That is how it works. The body of the do while loop falls between opening and closing of braces, that is your parenthesis, and contains the statements that are to be run in the loop, within the loop. Once you open and close within that block of space, you need to put your logic, right? While doing this, do this. While doing this, do this, right? I'm trying to give you some expressions. So the while keyword and the test expressions comes after the body of the loop and are terminated by a semicolon. That is how it works. So let's do some coding and show you with a real example. Alright guys, then you will understand. So this is my IDE and I am going to show you practically how the do while loop works. Alright, so let's use the same example, say int something different. Let's do something different this time because it's going to be do while loop. Int sum equals to 0, alright, semicolon, and then say serial dot begin with a speed of 9600 baud rate excuse me, semicolon, and then let's do an increment of up to 25 with a variation of 5. So let's say now how the do loop works. Do while, so we need to say do like this, do, and then with a curly parenthesis like this. You have to open the curly parenthesis, the curly bracket, and then press enter. The indentation forms automatically below the do, right? Now you need to say sum equals to sum plus let's say an increment of 5. Say for example 5, 5, 5, 5, like that, right? And then close it, end it with a semicolon, and then say serial dot print what? In a double quote we need to print sum equals to and leave the double quote as it is without any value, and then close it. How do you close it? You need to close the parenthesis ending with a semicolon like this, and then serial dot print ln, and what do you want to print? You want to print the sum. You don't need a semicolon or you don't need a double quote here. You need a semicolon though. Alright, semicolon, and then what we need to do? We need to delay. I'm going to talk about this delay function in more details in the upcoming lessons. For now you can just take it as 500 milliseconds of a delay, alright, like this, and then end with a semicolon. And then what we need to do, we will say a while. And what will happen in the while? The while should be actually next to the parenthesis after you close it. So we already have the closed parenthesis there. You need to mention while. I think we can just push it here like this, and what we need to say, while. There you go, the color changes automatically. While the sum is less than say 25, so that we get a loop of incremental, because we are given sum plus 5, right? And then end with a semicolon, and then I don't think we need to do anything with the while loop because this is just the initial setup. Alright, I hope we don't have any syntax error. I suspect some. Anyways, let's give a try. Let me just compile this program. Compile, no error, no, there you go, there are no errors. So that means our code, the do while coding is perfect. Now let's upload it. I am uploading the program and it's done uploading. Let me open the serial monitor, the terminal. There you go, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, right? Let me share the screen with you guys. Can you see that? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So that is how your do while loop works. So when we give an incremental operator of 5 and then we put that into loop, so while calculating the sum of 5, that is the do loop, and then you are doing a while loop. So I hope you understand this, guys. It's pretty simple logic and it's very easy to understand. Alright guys, I'm going to get back to you soon in the next video with more number of lessons and more details. Until then, goodbye.